Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a deep dive on something pretty vital, our immune systems.
Absolutely.
We recently came across this awesome guide
Yes,
that's just packed with expert advice on how to supercharge your immunity.
it really is.
And what's fascinating is that it turns out that there's all these everyday habits that we have
Yay.
that can either be helping our immune system out
Yeah,
or actually kind of working against it.
totally. Yeah, it's like we often think of the immune system as this separate thing, like
Right.
a force field almost.
Yeah.
But it's really so interconnected with like every aspect of our lives and especially those daily habits.
For sure. So are you ready to unlock the secrets to a stronger and healthier you?
Let's do it.
All right, let's dive in.
Yeah.
So first up is something that I think we can all relate to,
Okay.
sleep.
Mm-hmm.
Now, this guide recommends getting a solid 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night.
Right.
Is there really that much of a connection between sleep and our immune system?
There really is. It's not just about feeling rested, although that's definitely important.
Yeah.
But sleep is really like prime time for your body to do some serious repair and maintenance work at a cellular level.
Interesting.
So while you're sleeping, your body's busy producing cytokines.
Cytokines.
Yeah. These are these powerful proteins that target inflammation and infection.
Wow.
It's like your immune system's overnight SWAT team, They go to work while you're sleeping.
I like that analogy.
Yeah, and if you're not getting enough sleep, it throws a wrench in that whole process.
Okay.
It disrupts the production of these really vital proteins and leaves you more vulnerable to getting sick.
So it's like skipping on sleep is basically like disarming our own personal defense squad.
Exactly.
Wow. I know. I personally, I definitely feel it when I'm not getting enough sleep. I get sick more often.
Yes,
Like colds just hit me harder.
for sure.
Definitely not as sharp mentally either.
Yeah, you're not as resilient.
Not at all. So that makes you think twice about those late nights. Huh.
Absolutely prioritize that sleep.
Okay, so we've talked about sleep.
Mm-hmm.
Now let's talk about something else that's super important for our health.
Okay.
Diet.
Yes.
This guide mentions a whole rainbow of foods that can actually help boost our immunity.
Total. I think vibrant citrus fruits,
Oh, yeah.
juicy berries,
Mmm.
powerful spinach.
Leafy greens are my favorite.
Yeah. And even a good handful of nuts.
Oh, that sounds delicious, actually.
Right.
But how do these foods actually support our immune function?
It really comes down to providing your body with the right building blocks.
Okay.
For example, you've got vitamin C in those citrus fruits you were talking about,
Mm-hmm.
which is crucial for the production of white blood cells.
And those are the ones that are like our first line of defense, right?
Exactly. They're like the frontline soldiers fighting off those pathogens. And then
Ah.
you've got those berries
Yeah.
bursting with antioxidants.
Antioxidants are always good.
Right. They help protect your cells from damage. And
Mhm.
even those nuts that we mentioned, they're packed with healthy fats and protein.
Oh, yeah.
And those are crucial for immune cell function.
So basically, like a well-rounded diet is like giving our immune system a whole arsenal of weapons to fight off invaders.
I love that analogy.
Yeah, right. So listeners, here's a little takeaway for you.
Okay.
Start your day with a handful of berries in your yogurt.
Yes.
Or swap that bag of chips for a mix of nuts as an afternoon snack.
Love it.
Simple swaps, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we've fueled our bodies.
Mm-hmm.
Now, how about we get them moving?
Okay.
This guide also highlights the importance of regular exercise for a strong immune system.
Absolutely. And, if you connect this to the bigger picture,
Yeah.
exercise does wonders for circulation.
Right.
It's like giving your immune cells a super highway to travel on, allowing them to patrol the body efficiently and respond to threats faster.
That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, and the guide recommends aiming for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week.
30 minutes. That feels very doable.
It is doable.
It doesn't have to be anything crazy intense.
Not at all. Think brisk walking, jogging, even dancing around your living room counts.
Oh, I love that.
Right.
Yeah, take the stairs instead of the elevator,
Mhm.
or fit in a quick walk during your lunch break.
Yes,
Little bursts of activity add up.
they do.
Okay, so we talked about getting the body moving,
Hmm.
but what about calming the mind?
Ah,
This guide also delves into the impact of stress
right.
on our immune system.
Yeah, this is huge.
Yeah, so how does stress actually impact our immunity?
Well, when we're chronically stressed,
Right.
our body pumps out cortisol.
Cortisol, that's the stress hormone.
Exactly. And over time, that can actually suppress immune responses.
Oh.
It's like constantly hitting the brakes on your body's defense system.
Okay, so it's not just about avoiding stressful situations,
Right.
but also actively building in ways to de-stress and unwind.
Exactly. That's key.
So this guide suggests things like meditation,
Mhm.
deep breathing exercises, or just spending time in nature.
Yes, those are all fantastic.
Yeah, I'm feeling more relaxed already just thinking about a peaceful walk in the woods.
Me too.
So listeners, what relaxation techniques help you unwind? Let us know.
Yeah, we'd love to hear.
All right, up next is something we often take for granted,
Okay.
but it is absolutely essential for overall health, including
Yes.
hydration.
Hydration's such a good point.
We've got to stay hydrated.
We do.
Water is so important.
It's like the unsung hero of health.
Totally.
You know, it plays a key role in flushing out toxins and waste products,
Right.
which indirectly supports your immune system
Okay.
by just keeping everything running smoothly.
Makes sense.
And, you know, you've probably heard the guideline of 8 glasses a day.
Oh, yeah, I've heard that.
And while that's a good starting point,
Yeah.
individual needs can vary.
So is that 8 glasses a day like a hard and fast rule, or does it depend on the person?
It definitely depends on the person. You know, things like your activity level,
Mm-hmm.
the climate you live in.
Right.
All those factors play a role.
Okay, so basically just listen to your body.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Pay attention to those thirst cues.
Good advice.
Yeah. The key is to stay consistently hydrated throughout the day.
Gotcha. I am definitely guilty of forgetting to drink enough water,
I think we all are sometimes.
but I'm going to make a conscious effort to keep a water bottle handy from now on.
Yes, good plan.
Okay, and last but certainly not least,
Right.
this guide touches on something fundamental yet
Mhm.
always relevant.
Mm-hmm.
Hygiene and vaccinations.
That's so important.
Super important.
Yeah, hand washing might seem basic,
It does.
but it's incredibly effective in preventing the spread of germs
Right.
and reducing your risk of infection.
Yeah.
Simple habits like washing your hands thoroughly,
Mhm.
especially before meals and after being in public places, make
Yeah.
a huge difference.
For sure. And then on a similar note,
Yes,
staying up to date with vaccinations provides that targeted protection.
it
And
does.
strengthens our overall immune response.
Absolutely. And, you know, vaccinations, they introduce like a weakened or inactive form of a virus or bacteria to your body, which triggers your immune system to develop antibodies
Right.
without actually causing the illness.
So it's like giving your immune system a practice run.
Exactly. A dress rehearsal.
I like that.
So it's ready to fight off the real deal.
Awesome. Okay, so to recap, we've covered a lot of ground today.
We have.
We learned how important sleep is for allowing our bodies to repair and regenerate,
Mm-hmm.
and how a vibrant, colorful diet packed with fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats
Yes.
can provide those nutrients our immune cells need to function optimally.
Absolutely.
We also explored the importance of regular exercise for boosting circulation
Right.
and helping those immune cells travel efficiently throughout the body.
Like little superheroes.
Yeah, exactly.
Zipping around.
And we can't forget about the impact of stress.
Huge.
Finding healthy ways to manage stress, like meditation or
Mhm.
spending time in nature, can help prevent that chronic cortisol elevation, which we know can suppress immune function.
For sure.
And we wrapped up with those simple yet powerful habits,
Mm-hmm.
staying hydrated and practicing good hygiene,
Yes.
including staying up to date on vaccinations.
Couldn't agree more.
So what stands out to you from all of this? What small change will you commit to for a healthier you?
That's a great question for everyone listening. Remember, even small steps can have a significant impact on your overall health and well-being.
So true. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into boosting your immune system.
It's been a pleasure.
Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy.
Bye, everyone.